So you're curious about affiliate marketing. Coming up, I'll go through what is affiliate marketing, show you some examples, and give you a few ideas on how you can use affiliate marketing to grow your business. Hey, it's Jeff from TheFigCo. We're a digital marketing agency focused on helping small businesses grow. On this channel, we'll help you grow your audience and acquire customers online. If you think videos like this might be useful, we'd encourage you to subscribe to our channel. Alright, well in today's episode we're going to talk about affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is essentially where one company pays another company for either traffic to their website, leads, or sales. So I thought the easiest way to maybe walk through this is to hop on the computer and I can show you some examples. Alright, well let's get into it. I basically wanted to run you through a couple of different ways that affiliate marketing can be used and also show you a few different industries. I think this could help give you some ideas on how you might be able to put affiliate marketing to use for your business. Let's start first with looking at it from a way to receive commissions by recommending other products. So the first one I wanted to get into was in financial services. So if you look for, best credit cards for travel, let's say, you'll see NerdWallet, Compare Cards, USAA, the points guy. So let's just click on the NerdWallet link. And so with this, maybe you've been on a website like this before. I mean, there's a whole bunch of other industries that have similar type websites or companies. And so it's going to list a lot of different options for you. The one thing that maybe you hadn't noticed before was the Advertiser Disclosure. And so what they're going to go over with you is how do we make money? Well, our partners compensate us. This may influence which products we review and write about, but in no way affects our recommendations or advice. And so, with this, companies like this are 100% built upon their reputation of making good recommendations. And the way that they're compensated is when someone makes a purchase from one of the companies that they're recommending. YouTube, let's go through a different example. So let's kind of think through a physical product. So if I wanted a new camera, I might look for best point and shoot camera. And let's see what comes up.
There's this idea that
and so, with this, so there's a whole bunch of videos here comparing different cameras. And so they kind of go through all the different options. And what you'll notice here is a link to Amazon. And so they have Amazon links for, all the different cameras that they're recommending in different countries. And so Amazon is actually one of the largest affiliate networks. And so you'll see people for anything that Amazon offers, someone is out there recommending those products and are receiving commissions for it. One of the really nice things about Amazon is I might come here and look at this camera, but then I might go buy a few books. And so this person would receive a commission on the books that I bought because the YouTube video I was watching is what brought me to Amazon. And so let's take a look at one other industry. So we looked at financial services, we looked at a physical product, and let's look at kind of like an online product or service. So, if you're looking for which e-commerce platform to use, you might say Shopify versus, BigCommerce. And so there's a couple of ads, but down here you see website builder expert. And so they're going to kind of give you their take on comparing these two services. And so this again is a business that's built on referral. So if you come down here and look at disclosure, you're going to see something similar to what we saw for the credit cards, saying, do you know if you end up using a website builder that we recommend through our website, you help support the site. There's no extra cost to you at all. It allows us to continue to write helpful reviews. So as you can see from a whole bunch of different products or services is that there's affiliate programs for them. So for me, if there's whatever industry you're in, you can look for a particular product or service or retailer that offers those products to see if they have an affiliate program. And so just some random example that I had is, so, take something like carpentry even. So if you could build a YouTube channel and teach people how to do carpentry work. So if someone searches for how to replace kitchen cabinets, so you'll see here is this video has 100,000 views, this has 1 million views, this has 500,000 views, this has 300,000 views. And so someone like this could create a channel, teach people how to do this, and then go through, hey, here's all the products that I bought. And, there's links down in the comment section, and this could be for products that are sold on Amazon, or, for example, I was searching this earlier, and even Home Depot has an affiliate program. So if you're recommending products on Home Depot that they sell there or through Amazon, you could be getting commissions for this. And so also if you look for, so there's different affiliate networks. And so some of them are Linkshare, CJ Affiliate, ClickBank, Share a Sale. There's a whole bunch of these. And so basically you sign up for these sites and they have different programs that you can sign up for, and then, add the links and start receiving commissions for the products or services that you're recommending. I also wanted to look at this from kind of the other perspective. And so this was, how can you recommend other companies' products or services and receive a commission? But then also you can do the opposite of that as well. So I haven't really looked at what the fees are for setting your business up with an affiliate network like one of these. Another example is Ambassador, which is a software here. And so what they do essentially is it's a software for referrals or affiliates, where you could essentially set up a compensation for other people to be referring potential clients to your business. So if you can think about that as referrals or affiliate programs, but there's ways that you can incentivize others to go out and find leads or customers for you. There's another business for referrals called FriendBuy that's something similar. Most of these are more kind of digital things that you would set up yourself, but also kind of sticking with the carpenter example I was giving before. If you were to say, buy leads for a carpenter, so there's services for this. So that I was looking at earlier, for example, this HomeU. So basically, if you had a carpentry business and you were looking to have someone else go out and market for you to pay for leads, HomeU would be an example of a business that would go out and do that for you. So get new clients, grow your business. This is a decent example of a landing page. If you haven't seen our landing page videos, I'll put a link to that up above. You should check that out on how to create good landing pages like this on, the strong headline and subheadline and the sign up form. But basically what this business does, getting back on track, is, they're going to go out and put Google ads and kind of rank their site for recommendations. Someone signs up and they're essentially going to send that lead to you. So homeowners search for contractors in their area. We tell you about the job. And so this is, essentially a way for you to be able to get an affiliate or a lead generation company. So hopefully those examples were helpful, and now you have a better understanding of what is affiliate marketing. And ideally, you came up with a few ideas on how you can use affiliate marketing to grow your business. So now it's time for the question of the day. It's an easy one today. What I want to know from all of you is either a yes or no if you think that affiliate marketing could help you grow your business. So leave down in the comment section a yes or no if you think that you could use affiliate marketing in some way for your company. And if you have any other comments about affiliate marketing or questions, leave them down in the comment section. If this is something that I find a lot of people are interested in, we can do future videos on the topic. That's it for today. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, you can do that up in this corner. And if you want to watch more of our videos, there should be a couple on this side. Until next time, thanks.